The world is ready to live with COVID-19. COVID-19 consequence and precaution. COVID-19 causing by group of virus, causing disease ranging from the cold, the more serious diseases such as pneumonia. To prevent contagion, we must take certain measures such as washing hands constantly, approximately 20 seconds, the wearing of masks, and distances the people of 1 meters. It is prohibited to go social meetings in very crowded places. For example, you can't celebration birthdays in certain countries there is a lot of control. For example, China, otherwise fan are Apple. We must we must we must become aware of the danger this is a disease. Get used to a new lifestyle because nothing it is going to be the same. Let's not be complete in transmission this deadly virus. It is unfortunately to say it bad. We do not know when this will end. Only count that we must continue to protect ourselves. In conclusion, the COVID it is a mortal disease that is causing many negative effects award the world, such as economic and health. We must keep taking care of solving following the production. We are learning to live which this virus.